Hello, today I will show you Xiaomi Mi Band 3. This is Mi Band 3 box. I will describe function. 50m waterproof, step count, heartbeat count, 24 languages support, notification content display, sleep and working automatic count. Xiaomi Mi Band 3. This is Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Similar with Xiaomi Mi Band 2, but little bigger than Mi Band 2. This is charger. Charger is also similar with Mi Band 2. This is manual, but Chinese character. So Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is Mi Band 3 charger manual. Finish. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. The end. Thank you.